Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss acute skin irritation test by Professor Sabashik. So first we'll see the aim. The aim of the experiment is to determine the skin irritation or corrosion of the test substance. Principle. The test substance should be applied in a single dose on the skin of the experimental animal. The untreated skin area of the test animal serve as the control. So basically whatever test substance we need to check has to be applied as a single dose on the skin of the experimental animal, and the untreated skin area of the animal will consider as control. The extent of irritation or corrosion is read and the score of particular interval and is further described to provide a complete evaluation of effect. So in short, we will apply the test substance on the skin of the animal. Then at a different time interval, we will check the effect of that drug on the skin. The duration of the study should be adequate to evaluate the reversibility or irreversibility of the effect observed. The animal showing long-lasting sign of severe distress and or pain at any phase of the test should be humanely killed and the substance is evaluated accordingly. Now we'll see the procedure. So the test substance should be applied to the small area approximately 6 cm square of the skin, and it is covered with a gauze patch which is held in a position with a non-irritating tape. In case if the direct application is not possible, for example if we have liquid and some paste, then in such case the substance should be applied first to the gauze patch, which is then applied to the skin. At the end of the exposure phase, which is usually 4 hours, the remaining test substance should be removed using the water or appropriate solvent without altering the existing response. So basically, we will apply the small amount of test substance in the area of 6 cm square of the skin. Then we will keep it for 4 hours, and after 4 hours, we will wash it off without altering the existing response. All the animals should be observed for the sign of erythema. Erythema is nothing but the redness of the skin and edema, and the reaction will be scored at 60 minutes and then at 24, 48 and 72 hours after the removal of the patch. For the initial test, the site of the test is also observed immediately after the patch has been removed. So what we'll do, we will apply the patch, we will keep it for 4 hours. After 4 hours, we will wash it off and then immediately we'll see what is the result. So that is called as the initial test. And then further we will check the effect of drug on the skin at 60 minutes, 24, 48 and 72 hours. Now, if no corrosion effect is observed in the initial test, suppose in the initial test we did not get any response, the irritant or the negative response should be confirmed using 2 additional animals. Then we will take again 2 animals and we'll check what is the effect. Each one with a 1 patch for the exposure of again 4 hours. If the irritant effect is seen in the initial test, then the confirmatory test may be conducted in the sequential manner or by exposing the 2 additional animals simultaneously. So basically if I want to summarize this, so what I will do, we will apply the test substance on the small area of the skin of the animal. We will keep it for 4 hours. After 4 hours, first we will see the initial test. If in the initial test it is the negative, then in such case again we will confirm with 2 additional animal. Even if the initial test is positive, then again we will confirm with a 2 additional animal. And then further, for the reversibility and irreversibility result, we will check at 60 minutes, 24 hours, 48 hours and the 72 hours. Now, if there is any change to the skin which cannot be recognized as a irritation or corrosion at 72 hour, the observation may be required until a day 14 to conclude the reversibility of the effect. So obviously if there is no effect is seen on the skin of the animal, then we will continue that study till 14 day. We will observe the effect of drug on the skin of the animal for 14 days to check the reversibility effect of the drug. Now how we will give the score of the to the skin reaction. So just now we have seen that we will apply the irritant, we will keep it for 4 hours. After 4 hours we will check what is the effect. So when we will check for the effect, we need to give the score. So how you will give the score? So if no erythema means redness of the skin, then we will give 0. Very slight erythema is there, then we will give 1. If it is a well defined erythema, we will give 2 as a score. If there is a moderate to severe erythema, we will give 3. And if there is a severe erythema, that is nothing but the beef redness to the scar formation, then which prevent the grading of the erythema, then we will give the 4. So basically what do you mean by scar? So scar is nothing but the collection of the dry and dead tissue around the wound. So basically if there is a erythema and it is not possible for you to grade the erythema due to the scar formation. Scar is nothing but what? Just now I told you, it is nothing but the dead and the dry tissue around the wound. Then in such case we will give the score as 4. Now how you will give the score for the edema? So if there is no edema, simply give 0 score. Very slight edema, give 1 score. Slight edema where in which the age of area well defined by definite raising, then it is 2. Moderate edema where the raise is approximately 1 mm, then in such case we will give 3. And if there is a severe edema, so how you will we can say the recognize that it is a severe edema, the raise is more than 1 mm and extending beyond the area of the exposure. So that means it is a very severe, very big edema. If you see, then we will give the score as 4. So now we'll see the observation table. So just now we discussed that we need to give the score to the skin reaction. So basically we will give the score to the erythema and scar formation and edema formation. So first we'll perform the initial test. So after applying the irritant substance and applying to the skin of the animal, after 4 hours we will check the effect of drug on the skin of the animal. So here we have given 1 and 0. So what is the meaning of 1? The meaning of 1 is that after 4 hours in one animal, in first animal, basically we get the slight erythema, whereas in that same animal we did not get any kind of edema formation there. So as we have got this result, we need to confirm it. So we will perform the confirmatory test by taking the 2 additional animal. So in the second animal we have given the score as 2. That means in the second animal, after 4 hours of exposure of the drug substance, the effect of drug on the skin, we observe here that in case of the second animal we got a well defined erythema and a slight edema. Because this is 2, the meaning of 2 is that there is a well defined erythema. Then in the third animal we have given the score as 1 and 1. That means in case of the third animal we got the slight erythema and slight edema. So now we will calculate the mean of it. So mean value come here as 1.33 and here 0.66. 1.33 is for the erythema and scar formation and 0.66 for edema formation. So now we will do say that the present study showed that the applied test sample is having a slight erythema and the edema. That means the drug that we have applied to the skin of the animal has a very slight, we can say, the irritation effect. So this is all about the experiment. Thank you.